What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm coming at you with today is gonna be some keto peanut butter cookies. This recipe only takes 5 ingredients, so it's super easy to do. The ingredients that we're gonna need is, first of all, you're gonna need some natural peanut butter. Nothing with any of that sugar or anything like that. If you don't happen to be on a keto diet, any kind of peanut butter would work. We're using a half cup of that. I have 2.5 ounces of cream cheese, a half cup of whatever sugar substitute you like as far as zero carbs. So that could be Splenda, it could be Swerve, it could be that Xerenthal. I like using Splenda, just to me has more of a sugary type taste with no aftertaste. I'm using a splash of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Really all we need to do to get this hooked up is to throw it all into a blender. This is one of those things that you can just blend by hand, but I got this KitchenAid stand mixer a while back, so I'm just going out of my way to get my money's worth out of it. We already have our peanut butter in. Let's go ahead and throw our cream cheese in, and I'm going to start this blend right quick. Throw in our Splenda. Just a splash of vanilla extract. And our egg. And I'm going to let this go about a minute until it gets smooth and creamy. Alright, that looks creamy enough for me. Let me spin some of this dough off of there. Alright, this got blended up super creamy. Now I'm just gonna throw little dollops onto a sheet pan. I'm not getting too fancy. I'm not measuring this out. I'm just freehanding it. And I have my oven getting preheated to 350 degrees, and they're gonna go in the oven for between 12 and 15 minutes. So these cookies have just got out of the oven after being in there at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and they're still pretty hot. I'm gonna let them cool down for about 15-20 minutes. Now these right here are not any beauty contestant cookies right here. These are like the cookies you get like at your local Amish store, or at least what I saw at the Amish store when I was out in Iowa. Anyway, I'm gonna let these sit, pick it up in 15 minutes, give them a taste. Alright, let's get into these cookies. If these cookies taste as good as that batter did, we're on to a winner. I think we're on to a winner. Listen, whether you're trying to do keto or not, you got to give this a try if you like peanut butter cookies. Doesn't get much easier than this. As everybody knows, I am baking challenged, so anytime I can do something like this is always a challenge. Anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.